Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to allow camera permission in Chrome. First of all, you can open the general home settings on iPhone. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you will find the option apps at very last. Tap on it, and now you can search Chrome. After searching, you can now tap on the Chrome app, and here you can see the option camera. Make sure that you enable this option. After enabling this option, this is the way you can allow camera permission in Chrome. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.